Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print the same header on each page in Excel. Alright, so this is currently the report that I'm doing right now, and yeah, let's just go ahead and add some border here. And if, say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click File here, click Print, you can see that now on the page 1 we have the header, but if we jump over to page 2, you can see that it's gone. So we're going to go ahead and fix that one. And the best way to do that is by going to Page Layout, Print Titles, and here we're going to choose Sheet. So rows to repeat at top, you can go ahead and click this one right here and then choose rows 1, 2, and 3 because we want this to basically appear as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click that back, and then you can go ahead and click OK. Now if we head over back to print preview, you can see that it's still there. And then if we jump to page 2 now, the page or rows 1, 2, and 3 is still there. So yeah, that is basically how you are going to print the same header on each page in Excel.